Witness the power of the punch. Only on Eros Now.
अगर मेरे हाथ कानून से बंधे नहीं होते तो इन्हीं हाथों से मैं उसे चीर दूंगा।
This is Ram Gopal Verma's most emotional film till date. Yeah, Mr. Verma would like to talk first and introduce the trailer to you. I'd like Mr. Ram Gopal Verma to come on stage.
Emotional film that seems as if they only made cold-blooded films. I don't know what that is. But actually the truth is also that the only thing I want to say before they run the trailer, I mean, like, no film can really do justice to what happened on the night of 26/7 in its entirety, because there's so many incidents, so many people in various capacities involved, whether it be the cops or the victims or the people who just happen to be there, and everyone's lives have been touched one way or the other.
I'm not saying whether we can do or we cannot do. I'm saying I don't know what to do.
What I'm attempting to do here is just to catch the basic soul of the spirit of what people felt. I mean, there was a certain helplessness, there was a certain element of surprise where no one was prepared for, and there are a lot of blame games which happened in the process on how the situation could have been handled or should have been handled. And the film is not really going to be judgmental in the sense, in any capacity on anybody for that matter. The visuals are gory, but the point of the whole aspect is that terrorism is not about peace, it's about very hard violence. But in the context of the film, when it comes, you would really understand it's much more to do with the tragedy than to just to highlight the senseless aspect of killings. Just the killings of whatever happened. सिर्फ ये पूरी फिल्म है जो it is only concentrating on that night's incidents, और दूसरा कसाब की जो after once कसाब by default became the face of जो बाकी जो terrorists है जो भी है हम किसी का चेहरा हम नहीं पहचानते. So to an extent it will concentrate on what happened with कसाब, but it doesn't get into the details of उसके बाद क्या हुआ है. Each person would have seen it in a different way and experienced in a different way. So I had to choose one person there and to do that aspect. Everybody knows about what happened at CST or Leopold Cafe or Taj, but each person would have seen it in a different way and experienced in a different way. So I had to choose one person there and to do that aspect.
ये सिर्फ उस रात को जो 9 बजे से लेके 1 बजे तक मुंबई शहर में क्या हुआ, सिर्फ वो दिखाएगी 26/11 फिल्म. जो भी ऐसी एक घटना है उसका ट्रूथ क्या है, उसका जो अंदर हुआ, उसका जो कारण है, उसका जो प्रॉब्लम्स है, वो सब सिर्फ एक फीचर फिल्म ही दिखा सकती है. इसलिए कि फीचर फिल्म विल कैच एन इमोशन बेटर देन ए आर्टिकल और ए डॉक्यूमेंट्री, ये मेरा मानना है. सो जो भी लोग देखेंगे उसका वो ये इमोशनल पर्सपेक्टिव समझेंगे, लेकिन इसका इंटेंशन ये नहीं कि किसी को भड़काना या किसी की वुंड को ताज़ा करना. दैट इज़ नॉट द इंटेंशन ऑफ द फिल्म.
Biggest, latest Bollywood blockbuster only on Eros Now.